Armani Code Cashmere from 2017, the sexiest date night fragrance, coming right up. Hi, Christian O here, fragrance lover since 1996. This channel, we discuss all things fragrances related, men's and women's. We also try to find you the most expensive fragrances that have dropped in price recently and bring them to your attention. So if you like this sort of content and reaction videos, please consider subscribing. Today, Armani Code Cashmere. Like the Armani Code Satin, this one's called Cashmere. Satin was 2015, a fabulous world-class fragrance. This is the new version. It's jasmine and almond, sweet and sexy as H-E-double-L. Great for your date night, great for girls' night out, great for every day. Let's give it a whirl real quick here. Yeah, this is a winner. You know, they say this is good for fall and winter, but you can smell the orange blossom. If you live in Las Vegas or hot weathered areas in this world, Phoenix even, you could pull this off all year round because of that orange blossom note. You know Armani Code for women? This is the original DNA. This is called Cashmere. And because the orange blossom, it's kind of like a pralines, it gives it a creamy, velvety, smooth. So you have Armani Code DNA, throw in that pralines, and this is what you have. It's such an ironic scent. It's elegant but cozy and casual. It makes you feel good on your skin. Easy to wear. You wear this, you're not shouting for attention, you're just smelling darn good. Words that come to my mind are yummy, sweet, white florals, almonds, gourmand. It's got a touch of spice in it. Makes you feel comfortable, seductive, and super slim when you wear this. The longevity is 9 hours, easily. It's just a beastly fragrance. All Armani codes are even for the men. I'm telling you, you should get this. Projection is medium for like 3 hours. And the sillage is an easy 6, so you get a nice scent trail. An age group on this, 22 years and up, any group can wear this. I love this fragrance. I do recommend it. I think you can blind buy this with ease. You will fall in love with this fragrance. Armani Code Cashmere. Question of the day for you is there really a age group to wear fragrances? Are you a young girl who wears vintage fragrances? Just comment, yes I am, I wear vintage fragrances. Comment down below.